Welcome back for another Dave's Diary update, a windy update. So I'm getting out of the wind. I'm at the rental property and I thought, I showed you the damage to the wardrobe door, and then when I pulled the skin off of it, well, this is the new one. Excuse the cough. But we reskinned the door with new plywood, and it's worked really, really well. And I had to come back so that the door can be gapped properly, because at the moment it's not, and it's the gap down that edge is just a little bit tight. So I'm going to do that now, but I just thought I'd show the reskinning of it. It worked really, really well. You can see the contrast in colours. This is, like years old. 1960, I think this house was built. And it's been re-urethaned some time ago by my cousin. And that's the colour of it. And this is the damage on the other side. And what I'd done there is I'd put in some glue blocks in the back of the, or internally, so that I could glue the plywood back to it, because it had sprung, just deformed the plywood, and the plywood wouldn't want to return, or didn't want to return to the flat position. So I put some glue blocks in, I prized the plywood that was movable, and put glue down behind the little rails that were there, plus the glue blocks. And then what I did is I just got a screw and a fender washer, and which the fender washer would bridge the gaps, and just put the screws in there temporary, let it harden up, and everything was fine. Then I used a good quality filler, auto bog filler, and I infilled it and sanded it back with the nice Cubitron sanding disc, and boy, do they make a good job. And yes, it's a tiny, you can only just feel a little bit there that I've missed. But yeah, this transition is beautiful. And besides which, is on the inside of the door. This here was a repair that obviously the tenants had tried to make. I don't know what, anyway, they did. It's actually not too bad. I think I know the product that they've used, but it's more for small gaps than big holes. And there's another, looks like they've done the same thing there, and I don't know what they've put over it, but it's actually like, oh yeah, it's not good. Yeah, they've actually knocked a hole in that. I wonder what they've been doing here. Look, that's up high. Why would a hole be up that high? Go figure. So, sorry if you weren't that there. So yeah, it's actually, they've probably tried to put a stain over it, but yeah, it really is disappointing. The lady that rented the place was quite good, but I got the feeling it could have been the kids somehow, the adult kids. So little shits. Anyway, it's a nice house. It's a 1960s house, but it's been well looked after over the years. But just with their activities in here, like in the bedroom, the wallpaper is just not flash at all. So anyway, it's all going to get pulled off and plastered and painted. So yeah, I'll do this, get that sorted, and then I've got to put back out into the wind. I've got to put a latch. So I've got a heavy duty latch on a gate. We re-swung the gate, re-hinged the gate, and we put the hinges on the opposite side, because it was originally attached to a concrete post, which was right in the way. So I hinged it onto this side. Just fits. I'm going to have to do a little bit of trimming, but I'm going to put a heavy duty latch on that and see how that works. Yeah. Pause for dramatic effect. No, that was called internal turmoil. Anyway, so that's what we've got. I'll grab the tools, get that done, and then I'll get back to the workshop and I can start working on the storage units. Wee bit of a tidy up will be sweet, and well, yeah. Hopefully within the next week or so, there's a guy coming in to do a lot of work around here, and I hate to think how much it's all going to cost, but it'll make the house back to the standard that it once was, because it is and has been well maintained over the years, and it's just been let down over the last few. So, and a bit to do with me not being here doing the work. So, rightio, that's it. I'll leave yous, get some work done, and I'll catch up with yous later. Okay, bye now.